Hey, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a tower fan that's from a brand called Dreo. So if you guys remember in the past I actually reviewed another tower fan from this brand, but this is their brand new tower fan. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. So on the right side they label how you guys can get the remote on this side. And this side is a user manual, but let's take everything out first. So right here we do have a quick starter guide to teach you guys how to set it up. Right here is probably like the user manual. Right here we do have the remote control. Let's take this out first. Alright, so once you guys take out the remote, this is what the remote looks like. So we do have the power button, plus and minus. We have a mute button, a timer button, a oscillating option, and different mode button right here. So when you guys first use it, you want to peel this part out. That way you can start using it. So I'll use that in a second. Right underneath that, we do have everything else like the tower fan and the actual base. So I'm actually take everything out first and put it on the side. Alright, so once you guys take everything out, this is basically what's included inside. So we do have the actual tower fan, then we have the bottom of the base. So first I'm actually take off all the wrappers first. So once you guys take out the fan, this is basically what it actually looks like. So the top part is basically all the controls and different buttons, and we do have the display screen right here. Middle section is the actual fan, so that is where the air is coming out. If you guys turn to the back, you can see we do have two slots. One slot is for your hand to carry around, and probably the other slot is for the remote control. So if you guys try to slide it in, it fits it perfectly on there. And if you guys notice for the back part, we do have the option for you guys to take it out. So that way you can clean this part right here if you guys do need to. So the way how you guys take out the back part right here, if you guys do want to clean it, is by pulling it up. But you probably have to unscrew this part right here in order for you guys to take that part out. But you can see at the bottom of the fan, we do have the brand logo. And then for this part right here is where you guys want to insert the actual base and everything. So set up this part right here first. So the way how you guys set up the bottom part is actually pretty easy. You guys want to put it together first. So just like that. Then you guys want to put the cable through the hole. And you guys want to fit it in until it fits correctly. Once you guys got it, then you guys want to twist it to lock it. So then push it on both sides until it locks in, just like this. Once you guys lock it in, then it's all set. So that is basically what the bottom part looks like. And if you guys notice on the bottom, we do have a non-slip material. So that way when you guys put it on the ground, it won't move around. And that way it won't scratch your surface when you guys do put it on the ground as well. So inside they do give you guys the option for the cable management option. So just like this. Alright, so once you guys put it through, that is basically what the bottom part looks like. So for the cable management option, they do give you guys the option to do it this way or this side as well. So however you guys want to do it, that is up to you guys. But once you guys set the bottom part, then it's all set and ready to start using it. So let's plug it in and test it out. Alright, so once you guys plug it in, then start using it. So you do have the option to use it manually on here, or you can use the remote control. So if you guys turn it on, currently we have it on speed level 4. So if you guys want to turn on the oscillating option, you guys can press this button, and that will turn it left and right. So you can see how far the product goes left and right. Now let's change the different speed on here to show you guys the different level. So if you guys bring it all the way down, 1 is the lowest. If you guys bring it all the way up, 4 is the highest. And like I mentioned, there's different modes on here. There's a total of 4 different modes. So there's like a natural mode, a normal mode, sleep mode, and there's also auto mode. And like I mentioned, for the product, it does have a timer option. So I believe there's like 8 hours on here. So let's press this button. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the maximum hours that's on here for the timer option. And like I mentioned, the product does have a silent mode. So if you guys press on the silent button, that basically activates like the silent mode. So if you guys change the different settings on here, it won't make that beeping noise when you guys click on it. But when you guys feel the wind that's on here, it is pretty powerful. It actually feels like a really nice breeze. And if you guys notice, the tower fan is actually not that big compared to the other one that I viewed in the past. This one's actually much smaller and much more compact, which is kind of cool. So you guys are living somewhere where it's like pretty small and compact, like maybe an apartment or something. That's where one of these actually comes in handy. So I'm actually bringing the camera a little bit closer to show you guys what the screen looks like when you guys change the different settings. Alright, so here is basically what the screen looks like. If you guys turn it on, so it shows level 4. If you guys bring it down, that's level 1. So basically in here, when you guys turn on level 1, it's definitely pretty quiet. But when you guys turn on level 4, it's really loud because the wind that's on here is actually really powerful. And if you guys turn it left and right, the product does give you guys a pretty good coverage when you guys do use it. So based on what they mentioned, it goes around like 90 degrees when you guys do use the oscillating option. And then let me show you guys the different mode that's on here again. So here is the first one. Here is the second one. And then here's sleep mode. So if you guys notice during our sleep mode, it actually turns off the screen by itself. So it does have like that power saving option on here, so that way it won't disturb you with any light when you guys are sleeping, which is kind of cool. So that is basically what a close-up looks like for the actual fan in the front. Let me show you the back part. So here is basically what the back part looks like. So like I mentioned, we do have the handle part right here, and you do have the little part for you guys to put your remote like this. So that way you guys don't always have to carry a remote if you guys want to. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this tower fan, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys are trying to look for a high quality tower fan that's small and compact and not like super big, especially if you guys don't have a lot of space like I mentioned, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.